Welcome to Project Insight. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use project phases on a task list. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to your add-on screen and make sure you have the Project Phases add-on installed. If you already have Project Phases installed, it should be under Installed Add-ons. Otherwise, it'll be under Get More Add-ons. If you do already have it, click Configure and make sure you have your project phases set up how you want to. Once you've verified that your project phases are where you want them to be, you'll navigate to the project of your choice. So the way you use project phases in a task list is that when a specific task is completed, the project phase will transition. In order to see what project phase your tasks are transitioning your project into, you'll right-click anywhere on the top row of the task list table, click Insert, and insert Project Phase at Completion. Drag this wherever you'd like it. The Project Phase at Completion column will show you what phase the project will transition to after a specific task is completed. With this column inserted, you can change any task's project phase at completion without having to go into their details page. However, I'll also show you how to edit the project phase at completion from a task details page. So for example, write email content. If we click here, we can select that once write email content is done, we can go to the design phase. Hit enter, and your changes have been saved. Now, as we can see, this write email content work status is done, so the project phase should have shifted to design. If we go to Views, Overview, we can see that the project phase is Design. Now, going to another task, let's say Edit. If you go to the Task Details page, you can change the project phase at completion by going to Edit, Edit Task, and under the Advanced tab, you'll see the Project Phase at Completion option. So we can set this to Development, scroll to the bottom, and click Save. And now when this Edit task is completed, the project phase will transition into development. For more information on the Project Phases add-on, you can refer to our existing documents and videos on the subject.